Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check your clutch system on your Dacia Duster. In case if you're going to buy a new used car. Have a seat at the driver's side. Then switch on the ignition by using the ignition key, of course. There it is on the right side. Push it in position, rotate it, and push the clutch pedal. Good job. Keep pushing, okay? You can see on the right side there is one pedal on the center. There's another, and on the left is the clutch. So let's start and pull the handbrake until your Dacia Duster is supported well. Then start the engine. Here you can see the engine is still running now. The next step is you have to switch to gear number 3. Push forward. Switch number 3 is in the center forward position. There it is. Switch number 3. Good job. Now, the next step is the engine is still running. You pulled the handbrake. Then, third gear is online. And then remove the clutch immediately. There it is. In one stroke, release the clutch. If the engine is stop working immediately, that means your clutch is working well. If your engine is still running after release the clutch pedal, then you have a problem with your clutch system. But in this case, you can see engine is now switched off. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Soon.